Wordify language through form, meaning, and use. Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Test for IELTS students. Test 1. Vocabulary Test. Write the words you associate with family relationships. Write the words you associate with professional relationships. So what we have to come to know is that you have to choose the category of words which belongs to family and choose the category of words which belongs to profession. So let's start and find out those words. Vocabulary. We have 10 words and the first one is client, parent, sibling, colleague, spouse, employer, manager, nurse, sister-in-law, and daughter. We have 10 words. Now give a few minutes of your thought and think about which of the category these 10 words belongs to, whether they belong to family or profession. Let's find out the answer. Vocabulary. Client. Is it related to family or profession? What's your idea? The answer is professional relationship. Likewise, parent, and the correct answer is family relationship. Sibling, and the correct answer is family relationship. Colleague, and the correct answer is professional relationship. Spouse, and the correct answer is family relationship. Employer, and the correct answer is professional relationship. Uncle, and the correct answer is family relationship. Likewise, nurse, the answer is professional relationship. Manager, and the answer is professional relationship. Daughter, and the answer is family relationship. So these are some of the words which belong to two different categories. Hope you have enjoyed in the way the test has been conducted. Thank you and goodbye. Wordify language through form, meaning, and use.